From a 5D perspective, you continuously emit a signal that shows energies, it shows different timelines, and it shows people, aspects of people that cannot be seen in only a 3D, ordinarily 3D reality, because it is now the bioelectric field, the Wi-Fi, the sun's rays, how it falls, the different colors, infrared, and all these things. This is 4D, including the broadcast towers and everything, the psychological warfare. You pick it up in the TV screens. Earth, the lower 3D reality, is a prison system. You just cannot see it, but it's a prison constructed by the constraints of your own mind. Your own concepts is keeping you within that prison. And as you detach from it, these bars broke, then it's the new bars, new levels, new devils, until you completely awaken. And then you start creating life from within you. Timeline gaps are created through differences in frequency. You can speak every day to someone on the phone. It is fanciful thought. They cannot hold your frequency, so they cannot be in your proximity. You think it's your decision, they think it's their decision to not be in your proximity. It is not. It's an interplay of the intelligence that is feeding off your light. And this is hijacked perception, where you continuously think an existence and think it is real and you interact with it. To be in 5D reality means you are full blast in the present tense. It means you navigate timelines with your frequency. You emit. You are not in the survival mode. There's no fear of tomorrow or trauma of the past when you completely step into fullness and sovereignty. This is the 5D reality. It cannot be explained because it actually surpasses concepts. So to speak of it, the only thing we can truly really do is to give techniques to detach, to teach people to detach from 3D in order to become 4D and 5D perceptive. To teach people to detach from the calendar, and they can only catch the teaching according to their own capacity to conceive it, according to their own soul's ability to increase its bandwidth. That's why everyone cannot understand it, because it's simply not the time, or because of the density of their own karma. Reality is not the same earth surface for everyone, and everyone cannot just interact with everyone. It just looks that way. Two people can at the same time be in the same mall, but they experience different amounts of people within that mall depending on the frequency they are at. 5D reality is much more harmonious. It is, water is sweeter, the air is different because it flows from within you. Your own intelligence quickens that the atmosphere in which you exist, because you have come to see that you and your external reality, there's no separation. That is the 5D, or sort of the difference between 3D and 5D.